Today we're going to be showing you my new favorite way to shrink back windows, and it's not going to be with dryer sheets or with soapy water. Let's get started. The dryer sheets don't work like they used to, so we're throwing them away and we're going with the new method. So I learned this online. It's going to be using some Irish Spring soap, some 91% alcohol, and then cutting that down about 50-50 with some water. So we'll show you the process. We're going to clean the window down, scrub it to get all the debris off there, squeegee it off like you normally would. And again, we've got in our spray bottle isopropyl alcohol and water cut about 50-50. We're going to take just a little shot, put it on the window, and we've got our soap in a little soap bag, and we're going to scrub the whole window down with that Irish Spring soap. I would imagine any bar soap would probably work, but it seems like Irish Spring, the first one we tried, has been working really well, so we're just sticking with that. So give it a light haze across the whole window. The alcohol will speed up the time that it takes to dry. So I can usually get a back glass dry after scrubbing it in less than a minute, so it does not take any more time than normal. First, we're going to start by trimming off our excess film on my pattern here. I'm just going to stay about a ½ inch over all the way around. We'll take it to the back glass now, and I'll show you how this shrinks with that Irish Spring soap. We'll get our pattern lined up the best that we can here, and then we'll go with the typical H pattern. So as you'll see, I'm going to tack it down in the middle part of the window, bring that all the way across so the film stretches out. Use my fingers, just pull it to the bottom and kind of lock that H pattern in. As you'll see, it shrinks just as good as the dryer sheets used to. I don't know whether they changed the formula or what, but it just doesn't seem to work for us anymore. You'll see in some of our other videos that Kyle likes to wet shrink. I'm not as experienced as Kyle. I prefer to dry shrink. So the soap's been my go-to for quite some time. Cool thing about it is it's super cheap to buy, and if you put it in those soap bags, I'm sure we've shrunk over 200 back glasses, and I'm still on the same bar of soap. Probably haven't even wore that bar down a quarter of the way yet. So at this rate, it's going to last forever, it seems like. After I get my tint shrunk, I'm going to take it over the board so I can weed the tint out, and then I'll easily clean off that soap that's on there. I'm just using 2 towels, one to pick up the majority of the soap, the other one just kind of give it a final buff, and that's really all I need to clean the back window. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you've got a better way of doing it. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've got more videos coming out of little tips and tricks that we do in our tint shop. Thanks again. See you on the next one.